Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Exodus account. First, navigate to the official Exodus website to download the wallet application. It's crucial to ensure you're on the correct site to avoid fraudulent versions. Once downloaded, proceed with the installation process on your computer or mobile device. This initial step is straightforward, getting you ready to set up your secure cryptocurrency wallet in just a few moments. After successfully installing the Exodus application, simply open it. Unlike many other platforms, Exodus automatically creates your wallet upon its very first launch. You won't need to go through a lengthy sign-up process or provide any personal details, such as an email address or phone number. This design prioritizes your privacy and makes getting started incredibly quick and easy. Now, securing your new Exodus wallet is paramount. The first step is to set a strong, unique password to protect your funds from unauthorized access. Next, and this is critical, back up your 12-word secret recovery phrase. This phrase is the master key to your funds. Make sure to write it down and store it in a secure, offline place away from your device. With your wallet secured, you can now fund it by sending cryptocurrency to your unique Exodus wallet address. You'll find this address easily within the application for each asset. Exodus also offers a convenient exchange feature, allowing you to swap between different cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet. It's a powerful tool for managing your digital assets efficiently. For those who love to read, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.